The most essential steps you can take to shield your non-public harm declare encompass the following. Obtain the scientific care and interest you need. Maintain your scientific files for the duration of your healing process. Follow your doctor's guidelines carefully. Allow your non-public damage lawyer to supply the insurance plan business enterprise with something it wishes. Keep a replica of the police record from your accident. Lay low on social media. Work intently with a committed private harm lawyer. Do I have grounds for a personal injury case? If you had been injured in an accident that was once triggered by using anyone else, you may nicely have a legitimate non-public damage case. Very generally, the following factors should follow in order to go ahead with a non-public damage case. The at-fault birthday party owed you an obligation of care. That obligation of care used to be breached by means of the at-fault party's negligence. This breach precipitated you to be injured, and this harm led to proper damages. What damages can I seek? In your private harm claim, you are looking for damages in all of the following categories. Property damage, such as to your automobile after an auto accident. Lost salary and misplaced incomes potential. Medical expenses. Pain and suffering. Emotional distress if you've been injured through anybody else's negligence. The first order of enterprise is in search of the clinical help that you need. And the second is working intently with a skilled non-public harm legal professional at our Los Angeles office. Edward Ramsey, Esquire. Founding partner. Founded with the aid of lawyer Edward Ramsey, Los Angeles City Law used to be mounted with the motive of supporting households and people as they legally cope with non-public damage cases. Every purchaser involved in having Los Angeles City Law as their illustration will acquire a free session with one of our skilled attorneys. We trust the most high-quality illustration starts off evolved and ends with thorough understanding. What is the pinnacle regulation company in America? Kirkland & Amp, Ellis. List of greatest regulation companies by way of revenue. Rank firm lawyers. 1 Kirkland & Amp, Ellis 2598. 2 Latham & Amp, Watkins 2720. 3 DLA Piper 3894. 4 Denton's 977. How many regulation companies are there in the U.S.? 449,633 law firms businesses. There are 449,633 law firms corporations in the U.S. as of 2023, an expand of 0.7% from 2022. What is the most elite regulation association in the world? Kirkland & Amp, Ellis, one of the world's most elite regulation firms, is recognized for its corporate, mental property, litigation, M&Amp, personal equity, and restructuring work. What subject of regulation is most in demand in USA? Most in demand exercise areas: commercial law, litigation, real property law, intellectual property, family law. What regulation association does Bill Gates use? K&Amp, L. Gates. Gates Sr., the attorney, philanthropist, and father of Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates. K&Amp, L. Gates. Headquarters K&Amp, L. Gates Center, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Revenue use $990 million. Date founded 1946 to 1883. Company type limited liability partnership. Website www.ksgates.com. What is the richest kind of lawyer? Image result. Some of the highest paid legal professionals are medical lawyers, average $138,431. Medical attorneys make one of the easiest median wages in the prison field. Intellectual property attorneys, average $128,913. Trial attorneys, average $97,158.